네? 저 시청자 많지 않은데.
It's them. It's them.
Our trainee alchemist has worked wonders. We have the elixir.
I always knew you were a good one.
Thanks. Come on, let's go see Hugo.
감사합니다. 기운이 없어.
Hugo, you're not sleeping? Hey, look! We did it! The elixir! Lucas made it. Here you go.
It might be a little bitter.
Never mind. Drink it in one gulp. Very good.
So, am I cured now?
Well,
In any case, you'll soon be a lot better. Amicia, will we never see Mommy again?
oh, Hugo, I told you, she won't be
아,
coming back.
거짓말 하지 마. 다 들었다고.
And it doesn't hurt where she is?
No, of course not. Let's all go to bed now, eh? And tomorrow, when you wake up, you'll feel a lot better. You'll see.
모르겠어요. 근데 집안 병이라고 했었어요. 속죄.
Amicia, you won't believe it. Roderick beats Arthur at the sling.
That's not true. He was in front of the line.
You're just rubbish.
You two are arguing again.
Ugh. If you don't play by the rules.
You're gonna
동생
tell me
없었어.
about rules.
I keep telling Have you seen Hugo? Hugo!
Hey,
Hugo!
where are you, kid?
아,
Hugo!
Hugo!
Oh no,
목걸이가 하나 없어.
he's gone. Hugo! Answer! Hugo!
동생 찾아 나왔어.
Oh, my head. Gently now. Don't stop. Go on. Hugo! Where can he have gone?
왜 거짓말을
Think,
했어?
Amicia, think. Is that a village? Here? Hey! Wait! Did anyone see a child come through here? Please!
Oh, Amicia! Are you feeling better? How is the little one?
Clavi? Is that you? Have you seen Hugo?
Did you shout at him again?
No, absolutely not.
Times are hard enough already without you two arguing.
But we weren't arguing anymore.
Amicia, a child never runs away without a reason.
Open the door. I'm going to find him.
All right, but be careful.
어,
An
뭐야.
ill wind is on its way, Amicia.
What is that? What is going on?
Amicia, I've been waiting for you. Come with me.
Laurentius? Is that really you?
Where is Hugo?
He's gone.
꿈인 것
I
같아요.
knew this would happen.
I did take care of him.
Then why did he leave?
I don't know. I did everything I could to protect him. Even horrible things.
It is easy to spill blood, but to love, to protect,
I'm going to find him.
then go. And pray there is still time.
Mummy, I hear a noise outside.
Hugo, that's him. Mother?
Amicia, come here.
Yes, Mother.
Your brother's here.
How is he?
If he's back, it's because he's not very well.
But I did everything.
You hid the truth from him.
아,
But
진실을
Emotions,
숨겼지.
Amicia. I warned you.
let me see him.
He doesn't want to see you.
Who are you talking to, Mummy?
I have to see him.
He doesn't need you anymore.
That's a lie.
Go on then. See for yourself.
그 문을 열고 나왔는데
Are you alright?
동생 방이야?
No.
What's the matter? Why did you leave?
Why didn't you tell me Mummy was alive?
It was for your own good, Hugo.
That's not true. You didn't want me to know.
Don't say that.
You're jealous. Jealous. Let go of me.
Hugo, no!
Leave me alone.
Hugo. Where are you?
동생 목소리가 들리는데?
It's him.
I want to go home.
Hugo.
Let me go.
He's there. Thank you.
Stop shouting! Where's your sister, eh?
I don't know.
Ah, so that's where you were hiding.
Amicia.
I'm here. Everything's alright, Hugo. It's over. Hey, are you alright? They didn't hurt you, did they?
No.
But why did you go off like that?
I heard Mummy. She was calling me.
It must have been a nightmare, that's all.
I really thought it was her. She was in pain and...
She can't feel pain where she is now. We talked about this.
But...
She's gone, Hugo. You have to accept it. Let's go back.
Alright.
We must get back to the castle.
아니 왜 계속 엄마가 죽었다고 하는 거야?
Mummy! Amicia, it's Mummy!
What?
It's coming from over there. We have to go.
No, you're not going.
But why? Let go of me.
Hugo,
아,
Mummy!
come back.
Mummy, where are you?
No, Hugo.
There, she's in there. Mummy!
Stop, it's not her. Ah, no, no. Hugo, I need you.
I'm coming. Where are you?
It's not
안돼.
Mummy, I can't see you.
아직도 꿈인가 봐.
Shut up. Let go of me.
실제로 이럴 리가 없잖아.
I did it for him, and I'll kill you again if I have to. I'll kill all of you. Not them. No.
지다지.
Hugo, is that you?
Someone's coming.
It's me, Hugo.
Mummy, is that you?
Don't move. I'm coming. Get out of my way. Let me through. Hugo.
What are you doing?
Come here. No.
This is
No,
no
Nicholas.
place for
Don't touch him. No.
Where is your
Hugo.
sister?
Run.
Nice.
Get away from me.
There's no one.
There is no one there. Come, let us go. Let us go and see.
Alright.
Hugo. Hugo, no. No. They're going to.
이런. 혈연.
It is done.
Can I go and see my mother now?
Only the Grand Inquisitor may say.
But you told me.
My words are of no importance. Only those of the Grand Inquisitor. But be sure, you are very precious to him indeed.
제 발로 왔구나. 엄마 보기 위해서. 뭐야?
You hurt me. I have to find mommy.
에로플레이 하는 거야? 어이 깜짝이야.
What's the noise? Stop.
Four nights in a row I've been on anti-sandwich duty. When's it gonna end, eh?
Soon. The hour of the conjuration approaches. But think of Vitalis. Your ordeal is nothing compared to his.
아,
It's so big. Where's mommy?
절로 가야 돼?
Material of materials. Gold unique. By breaking you, I clear your way. The way to the blood of
저길
the
어떻게 가?
chosen one.
뒤따라가면 안 되는구나. 어떻게 가?
Someone's coming.
What was that?
Medicus. How
안
has
돼.
today's refining gone?
The quality is excellent, but the mass of raw epi-sandwich is decreasing. Our harvesters are being decimated by the rats.
Do your best. The life of the Grand Inquisitor depends on the quality of the distillate.
몰라요.
Body of the Grand Inquisitor is...
Right, that's enough now. I'm going back.
아, 유리가 깨지노.
Still nothing. But something's not right.
어디로 가야 돼? 어디로 가는 거야? 아, 절로 가는 거구나.
That can't be.
아, 눈뜬 장님. 이런 식 플레이는 2000년대 초중반에나 있던 건데.
See, something's there. Just there. Hey down there. The distillate is thickening. It will soon be necessary to change the filters and scrape the tanks. Nothing. A false alarm.
병 조심해, 병.
£20. We have almost reached the objective.
I hope so. Because that's all we'll be able to produce.
It is already a miracle that Vitalis' body can take
Hey.
such
Afraid. Not afraid.
In the city during the conjuration. You on the list?
Yeah. I'll be on the square in front of the cathedral.
Oh, so you'll be right next to the Grand Inquisitor when he frees us. And I'll be stuck here.
We'll all meet again after
아,
the end of the bite. It's going to be quite a party.
아, 언제까지 대화하고 있을 거야?
Come on. Be brave.
아니 깜짝이야. 옆으로도 그게 안 보인다고?
Well done. Nobody saw me. Like Melly.
한 번 더 해줘요.
It will hide me.
네.
Fucking episanguis steam. I'm from this. I know I am.
어디로 가야 돼? 한 번 더. 뭐냐 얘?
That's enough. I demand to see Vitalis now.
The Grand Inquisitor is very busy.
Busy? I am the Archbishop. I represent
Monseigneur, the mission of the Grand Inquisitor is
장비.
sacred.
his mission was never approved by the church. I see here only heresy
에
and occultism.
힘들겠다.
And you all
깜짝이야.
Shut up.
Your rank should make you
Where are you?
madness.
No, he mustn't see me.
이래 들어가면 되나?
Magister, the text clearly mentions the ascension of a child during the Great Plague of Justinian. I knew it. The Roman nobles isolated him from the people and worshipped him in secret. Maybe an
이 이상한
ancestor of
동네는
Hugo
도대체.
de Rune. Continue.
They're talking about me.
By freeing the country from the bite, the Grand Inquisitor will gain the adoration of the people, and with it,
일로 가야 되나 봐.
unprecedented political power.
Archbishop Gautier's presence here says a lot.
The Pope's court is worried, and so they should be. Serves them right for not intervening earlier.
Huh? What on earth was that?
안 돼.
Better check.
걸려버렸다. 여기 어디야?
The prima macula, on the cusp of the first threshold, devours the lost carrier,
왜 저
or
때문이에요?
walks beside the one who tames it. Master or slave, order or chaos. But how can we be sure?
이게 열릴 때까지 기다렸어야 하는구나.
Beatrice de Rune's research texts are all coded. I give up.
I have some good news. They finally moved her to the basement.
So she's going to crack.
길을 못 찾아서.
About time.
Mommy.
그러고 있을 거야? 가네? 이쪽으로 가면 안 돼?
Beatrice de Rune's research texts are all coded. I give up.
I have some good news. They finally moved her to the basement.
So she's going to crack. About time.
아, 어떡하라고! 아, 제가 저쪽으로 갔을 때 가야 되는 건가?
Beatrice de Rune's research texts are all coded. I give up.
I have some good news. They finally moved her to the basement.
So she's going to crack.
What? What's that? I must go and take a look.
이걸 못 본다고? 너 바보야?
Just an empty space. Oh well.
That can't be.
뒤에 있는 애한테 걸리는데? 너무 시간을 끌어서?
Beatrice de Rune's research texts are all coded. I give up.
I have some good news. They finally moved her to the basement.
이리
So
가는
she's
거구나.
going to crack. About time.
You see him, Mommy. She's in the basement, they said. I have to keep going down.
뭐라고? 못 봤어, 야.
It's too big here.
앞에 사람. 아, 지하실에 있다고 했어요? 아주 여기 너무 집중해가지고 채팅창이래. 밑에 하는 대화를 못 들었어요. 못 봤어요. 아, 뭐래?
That man, who is he?
아, 요만큼 와야 되는구나.
Grand Inquisitor, the Archbishop has arrived.
Perfect. Bring him in.
Vitalis.
Monseigneur Gautier, I trust your journey went well.
Now spare me your niceties. We grow tired of your little game, Vitalis.
A game, Archbishop? Can a game change the future of the world?
Listen to yourself. You have completely lost your mind. And all this is...
If I may, it's important.
We have the blood of Hugo de Rune.
Have you tested it?
Yes. Alas, Monseigneur. The boy should have reached the first threshold already, but
휴고
it seems something in
혈액이구나.
his blood has slowed the process. The macula is still in its original state.
No matter. If the books are correct, my blood and his will be bound. When he reaches the next threshold, I shall reach it with him. Proceed.
That's enough. You play the martyr. But allow me to tell you the truth. You are a vile heretic driven mad by power. The Pope considers you a threat. Vitalis Benevent, you are to be excommunicated.
살아서 못 나갈 것 같은데 왠지.
One can excommunicate a man, Archbishop, but not a saint.
Your inquisition is over.
Meaning that a new era commences. One where puppets such as yourself will kneel and beg me to save them.
He is with us.
살아서 나가네.
Very good. Go and see whether Beatrice Doreen has regained consciousness.
He's scary, but I have to follow him.
Why does she keep resisting like that? We have the same goal. We both fight the plague.
이 사람 따라가야 되나
Only
본데.
our methods differ. The daughter is making the same error.
아 그쵸. 난 죽을 줄 알았어.
What was that? I know I saw something move over there.
제발.
At ease. Ad ignem.
Ad lucem, sir.
와,
You saw the Grand Inquisitor?
내가 저쪽에서 걸려서 저기로 갔구나.
The blood of the carrier flows through his veins. The conjuration will take place.
Splendid. The end of the plague is nigh.
Indeed. But do not lower your guard.
따라가도 되겠지? 뒤에 애들 안 쳐다보네? 애들이 바보라.
Garden. The sky. I can see the sky.
Congratulations on capturing the child.
We've been after him for
저리 가면
weeks,
걸릴 것 같은데?
and then he simply turns up here asking to see his mother.
Seems he has a sense of humor.
That he won't be keeping for long. I have to go and see his mother myself.
What's he going to do with her?
아이씨. 아, 왜 절로 가? 아, 장난해? 어떻게 가라고? 아, 씨, 이거 걸리고. 아, 안 되네. 저쪽 왼쪽으로 들어가 봐야겠다, 진짜. 저기도 있는데. 가봐야지 뭐.
He's leaving quickly.
얘 가면?
What?
아니야? 어디로 갔어? 아, 저기구나. 아, 깜짝이야.
Oh no! Another way! Quickly!
다른 길?
was told that the carrier of the macula is here. He
that right? The child turned himself in this morning.
올 때까지 기다려줘.
As I was telling you, this god was devoured, but not completely. His bones were cut up and taken away by the rats.
For what purpose?
To incorporate them into that material we find everywhere.
You mean their nests? They use our dead to build their nests.
Precisely. And if we do nothing, at the rate the dead are accumulating,
갈 데가
the
없잖아.
nests will eventually join together to form one giant nest. It's just a matter of time.
So let us pray that Vitalis' conjuration ceremony will indeed take place.
Where is he? I won't find Mommy without him.
아씨, 가다가 걸릴 것 같은데? 근데 여기 갈 수 있는 곳도 없잖아. 이리 못 가는데? 어? 저기를 어떻게 건너가라는 거지? 미안해. 막 뛰어다녔더니. 여기 건너가라고요? 옆으로 더 가서? 아, 이 통로. 여기 사람이 안 앉아 있어서. 오, 나이스.
Tell me.
Why can't I hear like the others?
Seeing as we have to transport them.
You have nothing to fear from them. Meticulous crossbreeding and a little alchemy has tempered their instincts. Not to mention a radical change of diet.
Good.
Hey, kid. Help me.
No.
Help me. What's wrong with him now?
와.
Tell me, your new rats here, seeing as we have to transport them.
You have nothing to fear from them. Meticulous crossbreeding and a little alchemy has
이쪽으로 가니까 저기 있는 사람이 얘야 얘하고 불러.
A radical change of diet.
Good.
Hey, there's something there.
이쪽으로 가면은 그냥 대박 걸려버리네.
Tell me, your new rats here, seeing as we have to transport them.
You have nothing to fear from them. Meticulous crossbreeding and
저 아저씨 어디 안 가나?
tempered their instincts. Not to mention a radical change of diet.
Good.
Hey, kid. Help me.
No.
아, 여기 숨어야 되는구나.
Hey, die quietly. We're trying to work here.
I'd rather he waited a while. Rats prefer fresh meat.
Damn you.
You'll all go to hell. Your fucking rats!
저 침대 아래로 옆이 안 있고. 가자.
Savor this respite. Your death is not an end, for your blood shall nourish a
사람들을
new race of angels. They shall be your children, your pride.
It's horrible.
쥐들한테 피를 주고 있는 거야?
It's going to get mommy.
걸린 줄 알았네. 이 아저씨 나 기다려주네.
If she sees her son with a knife to his throat, she'll cooperate.
아이씨, 또 왜 문 닫았어?
Saw Lord Nicholas go past. That the Rune woman is gonna suffer, I'd say.
Ah, serves her right.
Such an educated woman. She should have joined our side.
Oh, no, she's way too stubborn. But no match for our torturer.
He must be near.
착한 아저씨. 아이.
Can't get out.
Please, at least let me die out there.
You wouldn't like it out there, believe me. At least here your carcass can still be of value to our alchemists. Think yourself lucky.
Oh, bastard.
밖에 상황을 모르니까. 아, 문을 닫으면 못 가는 거라고.
Kid, what the hell are you doing here?
Shh. I have to find my mommy.
The alchemist. Oh, you shouldn't.
어디 있는지 말해주는 줄?
Magic treasure woman.
He's talking to mommy.
For the last time, will you answer my questions? Or perhaps you're still upset about what happened to your husband.
아니, 여자는 딱 한 명만
Our
잡혀왔어?
torturer will take care of you. You'll soon have your voice back, Mark.
엄마만 나올 테니까 여기서 한 거 바로 알아.
Oh no, he's coming back. Hide.
아, 나 저쪽에서 있으면 큰일 날 뻔했네.
Mommy? Mommy?
Hugo? But... So they...
Amicia said you were dead, but you're not.
Amicia? My darling. You must go if they find you here.
No, I'm staying with you.
Oh, Hugo. Did they take your blood? Oh my god.
얼굴을 봤으니 속이
Alright,
얼마나 상할까.
Hugo. We'll go together. But you have to find the keys. They must keep them in the room at the end of the corridor. Can you make it there? Off you go then. Go.